Hi all. Neuropsychology is a fascinating field of study that combines neuroscience and psychology to understand how the brain influences behavior, cognition, and emotions. By understanding the underlying mechanisms of brain function, we can gain insights into how to improve our mental health and well-being in everyday life. In this video, we will explore some tips on how to use the knowledge of neuropsychology to enhance cognitive function, manage stress, and promote overall health and well-being. So, whether you're a student looking to improve your study habits, an adult looking to manage stress in the workplace, or a senior seeking to maintain cognitive function as you age, these tips are relevant and applicable to all. From sleep and exercise to mindfulness and self-compassion, these tips are designed to help you optimize your brain health and live your best life. So, let's dive in and explore the world of neuropsychology together. Pay attention to your sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for cognitive function, including memory consolidation, learning, and attention. Aim to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. Avoid using electronic devices before bedtime, as the blue light they emit can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Exercise regularly. Exercise promotes the growth of new neurons in the brain, particularly in the hippocampus, which is important for memory and learning. Exercise can also improve mood, reduce stress, and increase cognitive flexibility. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming. Eat a healthy diet. The brain requires a wide range of nutrients to function optimally, including vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Aim to eat a diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources such as fish, poultry, and legumes. Avoid processed foods and excessive intake of sugar and saturated fats, which can have negative effects on cognitive function. Challenge your brain. Engage in mentally stimulating activities, such as reading, solving puzzles, playing games, learning a new language or skill, or taking a class. These activities can promote cognitive flexibility and enhance brain function by stimulating the growth of new neural connections. Manage stress. Chronic stress can have negative effects on the brain, including impairments in memory and attention. Find ways to manage stress in your daily life, such as through relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Regular exercise can also help reduce stress. Limit screen time. Excessive screen time can have negative effects on cognitive function, including reduced attention span, impaired memory, and decreased ability to multitask. Try to limit your use of electronic devices, especially before bedtime. Take regular breaks and try to engage in other activities that do not involve screens, such as reading, outdoor activities, or socializing. Be mindful of substance use. Substance use, including alcohol and drugs, can have negative effects on the brain, including impairments in memory, attention, and decision-making. Be mindful of your use of substances and seek help if you're struggling with addiction. Stay socially connected. Social isolation can have negative effects on cognitive function and mental health. Stay connected with friends and family, and participate in social activities. This can include joining a club or organization, volunteering, or attending social events. Seek professional help if needed. If you're experiencing cognitive or emotional difficulties that are impacting your daily life, don't hesitate to seek help from a mental health professional. They can provide a diagnosis, recommend treatment options, and provide support to help you manage your symptoms and improve your quality of life. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and aware of your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations in the moment, without judgment. Mindfulness can help reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance cognitive function. You can practice mindfulness through meditation, yoga, or simply by paying attention to your breathing and bodily sensations throughout the day. Engage in social support. Social support is critical for mental and physical health. Spending time with people who care about you, who you can talk to and who can provide support when needed can help to reduce stress and improve mood and cognitive function. Learn to prioritize. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to become overwhelmed and distracted by the endless stream of information and demands. Learning to prioritize your tasks and commitments can help you to focus your attention and energy on the things that are most important to you, leading to improved productivity, cognitive performance, and overall well-being. Maintain a positive attitude. A positive attitude and optimistic outlook can have a profound impact on mental and physical health. Focus on your strengths, cultivate a sense of gratitude, and seek out positive experiences and interactions. This can help to improve mood, reduce stress, and enhance cognitive function. Stay mentally active. The brain is like a muscle. It needs to be exercised regularly to stay strong and healthy. Engage in mentally stimulating activities, such as reading, learning a new skill, or playing a musical instrument. These activities can help to promote cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Manage chronic health conditions. Chronic health conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease can have negative effects on cognitive function. Take steps to manage these conditions, such as maintaining a healthy diet and exercise routine, and following your doctor's recommendations for medication and treatment. Practice self-compassion. Being kind and compassionate to yourself is an important aspect of mental health and well-being. Practice self-compassion by acknowledging and accepting your feelings, rather than judging or criticizing yourself. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a close friend or loved one. This can help to reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance cognitive function. Neuropsychology has provided us with valuable insights into how the brain works and how we can improve our mental health and well-being in everyday life. By implementing these tips, we can optimize our brain health and live our best life. From prioritizing tasks and engaging in social support to practicing mindfulness and self-compassion, these tips are designed to help us lead a fulfilling and meaningful life. By taking care of our brain and mental health, we can enjoy better relationships, improved cognitive function, and a greater sense of overall well-being. So, let's embrace the knowledge of neuropsychology and use it to unlock our full potential and live our happiest and healthiest lives possible. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to the channel. Click the like and see you in new videos.